Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word amateur. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is am-u-tur, or am-u-tur, depending on the accent. Let's break it down. First, we have am, which sounds like am in camera. Next is a quick unstressed vowel sound like the A in sofa. Then comes chur, or tour, which sounds like sure in lecture or tour in mature. Some speakers pronounce it with a more French-influenced tour sound, like in tour. Now let's put it all together. Amateur. Try repeating after me, amateur. Now a little faster, amateur, and at full speed, amateur. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Amateur refers to someone who engages in an activity, such as sports or arts, for enjoyment rather than as a profession. It can also describe something done without professional expertise. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce amateur and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.